In this quick tutorial, you will see how to install node.js in Windows, and also Mac has the same process. This is the lesson 4 of the free series Node.js Beginners Masterclass playlist. Full playlist link is in the description. Now let's see how to install Node.js in our system. First of all, we will check if Node.js is already in our system or not. So open up command prompt in Windows, and if you are using Mac or Linux, then open up your terminal and write node version and hit enter. See, here I get this kind of error message: node is not recognized as an internal or external command. This means node is not installed in my system. If you get here node.js version, which means node is already installed in your system, but I highly recommend you to install the latest stable version of node.js. So head over to browser and open nodejs.org. On this website, we get the download node.js LTS version, which means latest stable version, which Node officially recommend to use. At the time I am recording this course, latest stable version is 22.14.0. But in the future, there might be updated version available. So simply click on this version and download will start. Now one question you might ask, is this course stay relevant for the future Node versions? And the answer is yes. This course will stay relevant for any Node.js version, because in this course, we are going to strongly focus on the fundamentals of Node.js, and you can use that fundamentals in any Node.js version. So you don't need to worry about Node.js updates. If any major updates occur, then I will update this course according to that. Now our setup is ready to install. So let's open it up. Let me put here. Click on next. Accept the terms and condition and click on next. From here, you change the installation path, but in my suggestion, leave it as it is. Again, click on next and install. And it's done. Now let's check Node.js is installed successfully or not. So back to command prompt or terminal and write node version and hit enter. See, now I get here Node.js version 22.14.0. So we successfully installed Node in our system. Another thing we need in this course is code editor. My personal favorite code editor is Visual Studio Code or VS Code, which is one of the best code editor. Of course, you can use any other code editors, but not many editors has that power which VS Code has. And also in this course, I will share my tips and tricks for VS Code. So if you don't have VS Code, then you can go to code.visualstudio.com, download VS Code and install it. It is really simple. So I hope you like this lesson. Also, if you want to check out the full structured course on Node.js, then I will also add that link in the description and in the pinned comment. See you in the next lesson, where you will learn how to write Node.js code and how to run it in the system.